working on the 84 square body. The engine seized up, so kind of exploring, seeing what caused that. You see by looking at the carburetor, got water down it. Corroded on the bottom. Then if you look at the intake, you can see that the water went in the back two cylinders. So it's the rear two cylinders that are locked up. Fortunately, both the cylinders were, or both the pistons were sitting pretty high in the cylinder, and despite as bad as that carburetor and the intake looks and the bottom of the heads look, the cylinders don't look too bad. They cleaned up pretty good. It's still seized right now. We've got it moving about a 1/4 inch back and forth, so I know we're going to get it broke loose. So I think we'll probably be able to save the bottom end. The cylinders look alright from what I can see now. Started rounding off the harmonic balancer bolt. For a second I was getting pretty worried. I thought I was too late to save it, but luckily I was able to get it out. So threw in some more penetrating oil, took a little break, went and got a new bolt, and we'll get back to work, see what we can do. Alright, well, we got it turning over now, or rotating freely I should say. So we spent 24 hours or so with mystery oil in it. That didn't really seem to help, but it didn't hurt, but it wasn't the solution. Then we had another 2 days with PB Blaster in it. That got it moving about a 1/4 inch. Then I put some more PB Blaster in it for a couple hours, let it sit, and then just worked it back and forth, and it just gradually moved further and further until it started to spin freely. So that's where we're at today.